Hey Photoshop learners, I'm your instructor and today we will start an advanced Photoshop course. This course is not for beginners, it's for those who know the basics and want to level up their skills. If you have ever thought there is gotta be a better way, then stick around. First up we are learning selection techniques. Say goodbye to spending ages on masking. We will make it quick and easy. Now open up your practice image. I will provide the link of this image in description for you. Select the object selection tool and see top options bar. You will see the button of select object. Just click on it and you will see the magic. It selected the whole object of image but not 100%, just 80%. But we will further proceed for more perfections and clearness. On the left side in layers panel, head to the bottom and click on this button to mask the object. Now make sure your mask is selected. Go to properties panel and click on select and mask. Another really cool feature. Now at the top here, your is probably set on onion skin. Let's go against on black. It's going to give us a really good contrast. You can adjust the opacity of black background from right here. There is no exact thing that I use every time. There is a lot of playing. Edge detection is going to work reasonably well in this one because I have practiced. Basically what it does, it just gives you kind of a fluffy edge. Let's tick the smart radius. It may make the edges more perfect. Now close up edge detection. Let's go to global refinements. Here we have 4 options: smooth, feather, contrast and shift edges. Let's play with it and make your image more perfect. Okay, now it seems perfect to me. In your image, if you got something different, you can customize your image according to that. Now click on OK button and you will see the perfect image here. We will learn further about masking in our next video. Until then, stick around with me and I will see you in the next video.